All right, getting to make some nacho cheese. We got some carrots, some potatoes, some soaked cashews, some garlic. We have basically a jalapeno in there as well. And we're gonna sit there and put it all in here. All right, added a bunch of seasonings, some turmeric, some pepper and salt and paprika, and some nutritional yeast and a couple other things. Some cornstarch to thicken it up a little bit, some almond milk down there, a little bit of oil. All right, here we go, nacho cheese. Okay, so now I'm gonna sit there and have a little tester of the nacho cheese on some chips. Look at that. That is so yummy. And I already had some and it tastes so good. All right.